So if you're looking for a light to light up your area, landscape, by the boatyard, by the shed, wherever you need to have light, we're going to show you what this product is about. ENTELECHY, solar-powered 20,000 milliamp battery, spotlight, PIR, dusk to dawn. We're going to show you what you get inside the box, hook it up, what it's all about. Showing you how nicely everything is packaged, we have a C bracket for the solar panel, some stakes, batteries, remote control, and hardware. Aluminium, allied metal, and instruction guide on top with the optical lights and the battery indicator and icons. Protected with foam is your solar panel, 6 volts, cable enough to run from the floor, wall, anywhere, hook up your spotlight. And last but least, in the foam is your C bracket for the solar panel. Carefully take your bolt, slide it through the holes. You can use the stake to get them in. Once they're in on both sides, you're going to take the C bracket and align up to the hole. We have washers that go in between and lock down with the wing nut. Repeat for the opposite side. And then go hang on a wall or add the stake to the unit by taking a washer and a bolt and locking down. The option to stake in the ground. With the bolt and Allen key optional, with the washer and lock nut, place onto the unit and lock down. Repeat for each of the sides. Lock washer, washer, bolt into the bracket on the opposite side and lock into place. With an option of a washer to the bolt, onto the unit, and locking down. Stake in the ground. And our demonstration purposes, on the workbench, we're going to hook up, notch the 2 pins to the connector that becomes IP rated, and now we're able to hook up the remote control. With the supplied AAA batteries, we're all hooked up, and this is the remote control. Going over the remote control, you have a red button, a T, an off, a Y, and W. Yellow, neutral, white. 10%, 0%, the PIR, the 3, 5, and 8 hour timer. And our demonstration purposes, we're going to be staking the solar panel in the ground and the light over here. And then we're going to be lighting up our bird feeder in the evening hours. Hang it on the wall, put it in the shed, put it by the boatyard, put it anywhere where you need to have battery operated from the sun to light up the area. How the unit works, we have here is a 10%. The light would dim down to 10% when no motion is detected. It'll light up 100% in 23 feet of the PIR sensor. It also has the other one at 0%, which will stay off. If it detects motion, it will light up to 100% and then shut down to 0% and dusk to dawn. That is the operation of the device. So we are able to hit the wireless connection. It'll go on and the light is on. We're going to place down the solar panel. We're going to hit the PIR sensor and hit 10%. So when we start to move, you see the light come on, and we'll stay still. 30 seconds later, if it detects motion again and triggered, it goes on. Now we're going to do 0%. 30 seconds later, I'll go over here to the side and wait. 30 seconds later, the light shuts off. As I'm going to wave my hand or move, it triggers to 100%. And then if you want the light to simply just stay on, you hit the trigger and it stays on. You want to shut it off, you shut it off. This light has a quick charge of a couple of hours, 4 hours to fully charge on those days. Put it anywhere that you need to have a light. This is how the light works. We're going to show you in the evening hours, the light lit up. This is the evening hours. The light will go to 10% or 0% with the PIR sensor. We're showing it lit up on the area. We're going to go to the 3000 Kelvin warm. We're going to change it over to the 4000 plus Kelvin and then the 6000 Kelvin. So this way you get an idea of what it looks like. Set it up for the PIR sensor. Set it up for dusk to dawn. This is the solar floodlight PIR sensor. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are after.